to Seagull Vlogs. Today, Chloe, you've got food in my face. Oh. Today on the Seagull Cafe menu, we have some bread, aka crumpets, some meat, aka Harriet mystery meat, a dessert, aka marshmallows, and the extra is some rice.
I sounded wrong, Ava.
You don't. This is the mystery meat.
Aura!
Yeah. This is good. I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
They're never marshmallow, just a clean marshmallow.
No, they're like 3 months out of date.
No, not.
Are we not? No. Well, how come we couldn't have one?
Because I just said so. Because they're for the seagulls. Yeah, seagulls are very important, guys.
Yeah.
Why are you eating it? They're gonna eat the whole pot.
Yeah, they're just gonna taste it.
No, like, pour it out. Pour it out. Guys, this
What the fuck are you doing? Why are you so
wait, what are you trying to do? You're gonna hit a seagull in the head. Always reuse the marshmallows if the seagulls don't eat them.
You don't have enough.
What? The reason why I'm here is because they're playing football and I can't play football in these ones. So
Oh no, let me see them shoes. Let me see them shoes. Dogs!
1, 2. I need a coat.
Oh yeah, we got the crumpets!
Eating your lunch.
What even is that?
That is Harriet's. They're asking about Harriet's mystery meat. Harriet's mystery meat.
That's a jacket.
Guys, we have collected an army of seagulls right now.
What the fuck is wrong with us?
A lot. I think fell over the bag. Guys, has anyone ate Harriet's mystery meat yet?
Gotta have a look. Wait, give me
Yeah, the seagulls actually loved it.
What camera?
Okay, good. There goes my marshmallow.
Guys, we're gonna get shuttled in a minute. Oh, there's the seagulls coming for Harper.
Oh, there's a bag.
I can't believe that. So these are the crumpets we have here, so it's okay. Okay?
Yeah. Funky right now. She turned it.
This is what we're feeding them right now.
My nose is yellow.
Marshmallow.
Oh, heads.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's
Wait, let me hide behind you. No, we're not gonna stop filming until Harper gets it. Wow. Guys, we're gonna feed some more.
Ah!
No! No!
Hey.
Why not?
How's your candy cane?
It's so good right now.
We're gonna feed the seagulls a bit more. I got a Mr. Kipling cake. She's like, off-brand mini cheddar. This is also our keychains.
Shit.
Okay, say bye.
Bye bye. I need food before I go.
Say bye. Bye.